Warren Buffett's journey from humble beginnings to billionaire entrepreneur. Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is often regarded as one of the most successful investors in the world. His journey from a young boy with a fascination for numbers to becoming one of the richest men on the planet is a testament to his unwavering commitment, discipline, and unique perspective on life and business. In this video, we'll explore the incredible life of Warren Buffett, diving into his childhood education, early career self-development, major achievements, lifestyle perspectives, and the valuable lessons he has shared with the world. Stick around to the end for one of his most iconic quotes that encapsulates his philosophy on success. Warren Edward Buffett was born on August 30th, 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, to Howard Buffett, a stockbroker and future U.S. congressman, and Layla Stahl Buffett. From an early age, Warren exhibited an interest in numbers and business. Unlike other children, Warren was fascinated with the concept of money and the idea of making it work for him. At just 6 years old, Warren made his first business venture buying 6 packs of Coca-Cola from his grandfather's grocery store for 25 cents and reselling each bottle for a nickel, making a small profit. This early experience ignited a passion for investment and entrepreneurship that would shape his future. Warren Buffett's educational journey is a tale of intellectual curiosity and an insatiable appetite for learning. He attended Woodrow Wilson High School in Washington, D.C., where he displayed an early interest in business and finance. At the age of 11, Buffett made his first stock purchase, buying shares of Cities Service preferred for $38 each. The stock price initially dropped, but Buffett held on until it rebounded to $40, a lesson in patience that would serve him well throughout his life. After high school, Buffett enrolled at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School at 16, but soon transferred to the University of Nebraska, where he earned his Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Determined to further his education, he applied to Harvard Business School but was rejected. This setback led him to Columbia University, where he earned a Master of Science in Economics under the mentorship of Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing. Graham's teachings profoundly influenced Buffett's investment philosophy, emphasizing the importance of investing in undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. Upon graduating from Columbia, Buffett began his career as an investment salesman at Buffett Falk and Company, his father's brokerage firm. However, it wasn't long before he moved on to work with his mentor Benjamin Graham at Graham Newman Corp. During his time there, Buffett honed his investment strategies, learning to analyze companies with a sharp eye for value. In 1956, at the age of 26, Warren returned to Omaha and started his own investment partnership with just $105,000 from friends and family. Over the next few years, Buffett's partnership saw remarkable returns, consistently outperforming the market. His approach was simple but effective: find undervalued companies with strong potential, invest in them, and hold on for the long term. Warren Buffett's success can be attributed not only to his investment acumen, but also to his relentless commitment to self-improvement. Buffett is an avid reader, devouring up to 500 pages a day. He often credits much of his success to the knowledge he has gained from reading books on a wide range of subjects, from business and economics to philosophy and history. One of the key aspects of Buffett's self-development is his focus on continuous learning and adaptation. He has never been afraid to change his mind or adjust his strategies when new information becomes available. This adaptability has allowed him to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the financial world and maintain his status as one of the most successful investors of all time. Warren Buffett's journey to becoming a billionaire is marked by a series of strategic investments and business decisions that have left an indelible mark on the world of finance. One of his most significant achievements was his acquisition of Berkshire Hathaway in 1965, a struggling textile company that he transformed into a diversified holding company with investments in a wide range of industries. Under Buffett's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway grew exponentially, with its stock price increasing from $19 per share in 1964 to over $400,000 per share today. Some of his most notable investments include Coca-Cola American Express and the Washington Post, all of which have generated substantial returns for Berkshire Hathaway and its shareholders. Buffett's success has not gone unnoticed. He has been consistently ranked among the richest people in the world, with his net worth reaching over $100 billion. In addition to his financial achievements, Buffett has been recognized for his philanthropy, having pledged to give away 99% of his wealth to charitable causes through the Giving Pledge, a commitment he made alongside Bill and Melinda Gates. Despite his immense wealth, Warren Buffett is known for his frugality and modest lifestyle. He still lives in the same Omaha home he bought in 1958 for $31,500 and drives a modest car. Buffett's lifestyle is a reflection of his values, which prioritize long-term happiness and fulfillment over material possessions. Buffett's perspectives on life and business are shaped by his belief in the importance of integrity, humility, and patience. He has often emphasized the value of surrounding oneself with trustworthy people and making decisions that align with one's principles. Buffett's ability to stay grounded and maintain a simple lifestyle has played a significant role in his enduring success. Warren Buffett's life is filled with valuable lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs and investors. Some of the most important lessons he has shared include: invest in yourself. Buffett often stresses the importance of investing in one's education and self-development. He believes that the best investment one can make is in themselves, as it pays the highest dividends. Be patient. One of Buffett's core principles is the importance of patience in investing. He advocates for a long-term approach, advising investors to buy good companies and hold them for the long haul. Value relationships. Buffett has always placed a high value on relationships, both personal and professional. He advises others to surround themselves with people they admire and respect, as these relationships will play a crucial role in their success. Stick to your principles. Throughout his career, Buffett has remained true to his principles, even when it meant going against the crowd. He encourages others to develop their own set of principles and adhere to them regardless of external pressures. Give Back. Buffett's commitment to philanthropy is a testament to his belief in the importance of giving back to society. He encourages others to use their success to make a positive impact on the world. To conclude, let's reflect on one of Warren Buffett's most iconic quotes, which encapsulates his philosophy on success. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Warren Buffett. This quote highlights Buffett's approach to investing, emphasizing the importance of quality and long-term value over short-term gains. It serves as a reminder that success is not just about making money, but about making wise and principled decisions that stand the test of time. Warren Buffett's journey from a young boy with a passion for numbers to a billionaire entrepreneur is a story of perseverance, discipline, and unwavering commitment to his principles. His life offers invaluable lessons for anyone aspiring to achieve success in business or any other field. By following his example of continuous learning, patience, and integrity, we can all strive to reach our full potential and make a positive impact on the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iSkillMind for more inspiring content. And as always, keep learning and stay motivated.